Hello everybody, welcome back once again to Hugo House. Today we are going to take a look at this popular log cabin design with a great floor plan. The Fairview Log Home embraces the tradition and comfort of a beautiful log home with the functionality of a modern household. Take some inspiration from the lovely Fairview Log Home floor plan and see what it could offer you. The Fairview Log Home floor plan is one of the log home packages from Hochstetler Quality Log Homes, a company that operates out of Loudonville, Ohio. The company offers log house packages and floor plans for a wide variety of stylish log houses. They feature a great airtight building method that serves as a very energy-efficient option when it comes to home building. Logs themselves are known and highly regarded as a very sustainable option for home building and building any type of structure. The reasons are because logs are one of the most renewable resources known to man. Trees can replenish themselves quite readily, which is how it works in the tree farms that the trees are grown in. Trees are grown in succession, and once some of them are used for logs, new ones are planted in their place, so there are always new trees ready to be harvested for many uses. The Fairview Log Home floor plan is one of the company's most popular log houses in their collection of log house packages. Because of its simple design and practical layout, this house would be perfect for a mid-sized family. A 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is plenty of space for a family of 4 or 5 to live comfortably in. All of the log house packages offered by Hochstetler Quality Log Homes include all of the materials needed to build whichever floor plan you choose. You can also have the log home's floor plans modified to suit your individual needs. A log home package is a very practical way to build a house, and it can be built by you or by professional contractors. Just remember that the larger the log home, the more expensive it will be to build because the number of materials needed will be greater as well as the time to build it. Building a log home can be one of the best investments you make, as they can stand for hundreds of years when maintained well. There are even some log structures in Europe that are standing after 500 years. Not only are these log homes beautiful to look at, but the materials are also functional as well. Did you know that logs also contain their own unique and natural internal technology, which helps them to retain heat or coolness within their walls and keep heat or coolness out depending on the season and temperature outside? A log can be warm on the inside and cool on the outside, or cool on the inside and hot on the outside, which makes them favorable when it comes to keeping a home cool in the summer or warm in the winter. A wood-burning fireplace would easily be able to heat a log house, and the logs would be able to retain all of the heat for hours. One of the main things that has to be decided upon is the layout of log houses. When looking through log homes' floor plans, it's important to keep in mind how many bedrooms and bathrooms you'll need in your home. Depending on how many people are in your family, you could need anywhere from 2 bedrooms to 5 or more bedrooms. Getting log home floor plans from a company like Hochstetler Quality Log Homes makes the design process much easier, since they have a good idea of what kinds of layouts work best for log houses, and they can advise you on which floor plan could work best for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to consider dropping us a like. It really helps this channel to grow. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring new homes every day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.